Oftentimes, Heidi, when I first meet with a couple, one of the first questions I ask them is, what did you do for fun during your dating relationship? And after a brief pause, usually one or both of them crack a smile or laugh a little bit before they even answer. So what happens in that moment is they get a glimpse of a happier time of their relationship. And when kids set in and bills pile up, often one of the things off of the priority list is date night, when it really should be one of the top 5. And what I often recommend to the couples that I work with is, if you have kids, at least once a month, because this way you can plan for a babysitter, you can plan ahead. And if you don't have kids yet, great, you can plan for once a week or even twice a week.
Something to look forward to. You also say you have to set boundaries in your relationship, whether it be with work or children. What do you mean by that?
Absolutely. One of the biggest complaints I get from one of the partners in the marriage is that the other one spends so much time focusing on their career, even when they're at home. It's okay to shut off your BlackBerry or your iPhone for a specific amount of time so that you can dedicate to your family, and in particular to your spouse. Your kids and their activities are important, but what's even more important is that they see mom and dad loving each other. After all, you are role modeling for them what a relationship looks like.
And you don't want them heading down a rough road themselves later in life. You also say that it's good for your spouse to have alone time, whether it's by themselves or with friends.
Absolutely. What tends to happen is a lot of people think having individual interests is a bad thing, but it's actually a good thing. It creates a great opportunity to reconnect with same-sex friends. And after all, the old cliche that absence makes the heart grows fonder is very true.
But husbands shouldn't be hanging out with just girl friends.
Absolutely. You need to have appropriate boundaries. Same-sex friends is what we highly recommend.